I just like film the whole time.
Okay.
Just film the whole time. So, today's the 23rd. Is it 6/23/12?
Yeah.
I'm on a flex reel, so I don't really know. Anyway, got thrown off a jet ski at 60 miles an hour and had a C6 compression fracture. Going home now, but this is going to be a before and after video. And we were planning on doing a disabled video for people that have been disabled, and luckily I get to do first-hand experience of it. So we'll see how much muscle mass I lose in a month. Yeah. So it's day one out of the hospital, and I've gotten a lot of comments and prayers from everybody from the hospital and friends and family. I just wanted to make a video to shout out and say thanks to everybody, because it means so much. And you forget how much you're loved when you're in your everyday routine, but it meant so much. And thank you everybody just for everything. And anyway, I'm going to have in the future some videos coming up. I don't know if I'm going to post them daily or every 5 days or something, but in the end I'm going to have Matt's Road to Rebuild. It's going to be a Mad Fit video, so check it out. We stay mad fit, even if we're crippled. Let's go.